Hi everyone, it's Carmen here. Dana is going to demonstrate how easy he can clean all this baked rust and paint off of this late 1920s bathtub foot. You know, the old lion claw, cast iron bathtub. Well, he's cleaning all of this rust and paint off that's been there for over, well, probably close to 100 years. As you can see, no smoke, no major evasive sparks or heat plume. And he's actually producing pure oxygen while he's doing this. Faster. Okay. Now he's doing the first initial treatment to remove all the rust and the paint. And then later, after it cools, we'll do another treatment using the negative electron bombardment, which is one of the spectacular powers of this tech, to eliminate the process of rust well below the surface. Yes, indeed, to eliminate the process of rust. It's remarkable, and we do it. Anyhow, this is Dana at Canadian Plasma Arts, Metallurgic Infinity. We do what you never thought could possibly be done using power of beyond the sun. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Come on. Get moving. Lots of difficult issues. Come over here. Get this one going. There you go. Get to it. Yes, please. Anything's easy when you know how to do it. Nothing is impossible. More of a tilting angle. Didn't take long, folks. Carmen CPA, Metallurgic Infinity was born here, and that's Dana on the Plasmatron. Thank you.